If you have enabled the latest feature of Instagram, that is Instagram Notes, and if you want to like someone Instagram note on your available application or updated Instagram on your device. To like someone's uploaded note on your Instagram account, firstly you will just need to know that the notes appear always on the top of the chat screen, like on the top of our inbox here. Like this is my profile and this is my inbox, then the notes will appear just here where you can see the message, that is chats will be appear after you have sent or received a message. At the same place you will see a round circle subject, that is notes. How can you simply react on it or like it? To like any note, this is quite simple. All of you can know that you simply have to double tap on the note on the between the circle, and then the note will be automatically be liked from your account to their account, and they will get a notification of it also. If you don't believe it, you can search it on your here Instagram here, like Instagram help center, that you can like someone's note just by double tapping the note at the top of your inbox and their profile. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.